Okay, so this is the pool. What I'm going to be doing is neatening up under here, so to give you a better understanding how it looks, that type of thing. So chipping away anything that's loose, and then filling it with some special filler, so to give you an idea, just like that. And there's a little bit of gaps here and there. Let's have a look at the product that we've got. Good stuff. So it's designed for pools, going light grey. It's quite loose, so I might just scrape. A little bit of that to do. I'll eventually have to clean the pool. Let's drop it on the floor. I've got this that I could put underneath as well. It's a big item, so I'll probably do that too. Let's take this bad boy off. Oh. Let's start off with. Went in the pool something. Let's start off with that. I do have some knives here that I might try. So let's start with this, which is 12.5. I think there's some areas where I'm going to probably have to use like not quite 25, but so maybe I'll take these with me in the pool. Let's just try here, for example, and see what happens. I'm happy with the colour. My hand's moving into the water. I've gone a bigger Caulking. This is the next side. So now I'm just going to focus on where the mortar hits the tile. Even the fingers are so much better than that tool. You get to have a bit of a feel on what's going on. So I might just continue with my finger until I'm able to smear it over, so it looks so much better. Without even spraying it. So if I sprayed it, then I won't be able to smear it as much as I need to. So much better than what I've just done, so I'll go over that one. I think I'm going a little bit too fast. Also got too much product on. Okay, so tidied it up. It's pretty good considering. So far so good. Looking neater. I'm very surprised how long one tube has got me, considering. So I bought 4 tubes, and let's see how this goes. So that's it. Looks done. Quite neat. Time to clean the pool up. Time to clean the bottom of the pool. Alright. Let's see how much suction I've got. Plenty of suction.